There we go. That's your thumbnail? Alright.
Yeah. I'm about to start lighting these motherfuckers up. Motherfuckers get light up right there.
This gonna blow up your hand, throw it over here.
See that, people? Yeah.
Dang. Yo, it made a circle ring. Update, they gunshots. You see, I told you, they don't blow me in your hand, so. That one blowing up your head.
This one blowing up in my head?
Hold up. He dangerous.
That one a dub. No, this one got nothing in it. It's a dub.
I think almost took your head off. It blew up in the air.
You gotta make it this look like a whole pat. You got like a whole pat.
Like both of them. It's like no. Like all four right now. You stay trying to light it, you don't. It's like.
You can't light it? You can't like the firecracker.
You act like you're in a wilderness trying to like hide the air from the fire.
Hey.
That thing hurt my ear. Wait, turn around before you do this. There you go. Don't throw them over here.
Bobby.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Huh?
No, never mind.
I ain't gonna call my name and just say never mind.
I was gonna tell you that PNB Rock gonna be
Oh God, I need a bit.
Come on.
Edgar, don't you got some matches inside your house?
He lit all of them, remember?
Just wait, hold on. Get it. Get it.
PNB Rock gonna be at the party.
Wait, hold up. We're throwing fast. Hold up. Here, let me see it real quick. I got it. Move the gas. I don't know if this worked, but oh, never mind.
Yeah, it's brand new. I just bought it. Here go, Bobby.
Throw him.
Damn.
Let me stand behind cover real quick.
Cops come out here, right?
Yeah.
The cops gonna come. The cops is gonna come.
Those was loud.
You gonna like these ones? All
Illegal fireworks, huh?
You gonna like all of them?
If you want, nah, save the other two for night. Last one.
In my head.
And when it blows up, He's dead.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
All right.
The firecrackers.